Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching justatrick.com and today's video is all about Dell Latitude E5400 outside. A very interesting gadget. Back then when it was released, they were really most popular versions out there. Dell Latitude series were quite popular out there. Having Intel vPro technology along with tested platform that is the embedded security out there, that is CPM 1.2 security chip out there. So it offers you really a good functionality which we use now also and back then too we use definitely we have used it. Has got a wide screen out there. Now let us talk about this gadget very specifically each and everything. Talking about this gadget then we can say that it offers you Intel Core 2 Duos processor. Yes, talking about the processing system, it offers you Intel Core 2 Duos out there. This is definitely a good version out there because Intel Core Duos is definitely one of the versions which back then when it was released was most popular version out there. Offering you a base clock speed of 2.2 gigahertz. Yes, 2.2 gigahertz and specifically 2.26 gigahertz is the base clock speed offered out here. Along with that, it offers you a core system. Yes, if you talk about the core system, then it offers you dual core system out there with a computerization of 64 bytes and Windows operating system. Along with these things, you get to have chip system also. Yes, chip system is also available out here, or we can say the processor and chip system collaborate together to work very well. Offering you Intel G4 T5 Express. Yes, the processor is really good. That is Intel Core 2 Duos, whereas the chip system is also excellent. That is Intel G45 Express out here. Now, when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this gadget, let us talk about the storage because storage plays an important role. Talking about the storage, we can say that it offers you a cache memory of 3 MB. Yes, 3 MB is the installed cache memory out here offered out by this gadget. Whereas you will find that the cache type is L2 cache type. So L2 cache type could be seen out here with installed size of 3 MB out there. So very good version out there. Along with that, you also get to see that it is offering you a good RAM version. Yes, talking about the RAM, let us talk about the RAM type. It offers you 3 MB installed RAM of DDR2. So DDR2 is the RAM type offered out, whereas you get to see install size of 3 MB. Along with that, you get to have a rated memory speed or a memory speed of 800 megahertz. Yes, 800 megahertz is the memory speed offered out by this variant. Now, when we are talking about this variant, what kind of you get to see interface in the storage? Yes, you get to have a good interface in the storage because storage is an important and integral part of every gadget. Now we know that it offers you 3 MB install size. What about the maximum support size? It offers you a good maximum support size of 4 GB. So overall you get to have 4 GB RAM out there because 3 GB is already there. 1 GB can be expandable out here. So 4 GB maximum support size could be seen out in this variant with a speed of 800 megahertz RAM type of DDR2 RAM type. Back then when these kind of gadgets were released out, they were quite popular because they were really good in these functionalities. Now when we are talking about the storage, let us talk about the hard drive storage because that also determines the gadget. Talking about the hard drive storage, then we can say that it offers you HDD type hard drive storage. Yes, it offers you HDD type hard drive storage with a capacity of 250 GB. So 250 GB is the hard drive storage out here. Along with that, you get to see a speed, that is the spindle speed out here, which is a 5400 RPM. So you can say that the speed out here was 5400 RPM. So it is offering you great functionalities with 250 GB installed hard drive size. HDD type hard drive could be seen out here. So overall, it offers you great functionalities. We know that gadgets are basically designed so that they can function very well in the harsh environmental factors like humid, shock, tolerance, these kind of things. So Dell Latitude series is one of the variants which have been designed keeping in mind all the environmental parameters to provide optimum results. So we can see that this also provides an optimum results out here. Apart from that, you get to see that it offers you a wide screen size. Yes, it offers you a wide screen size of 35.8 centimeters. So 35.8 centimeters is the screen size offered out. Along with that, you get to have a good resolution out there of 1280 into 800 out here, which is offering you VXGA type resolution. Yes, you get to have VXGA type resolution out here. Apart from that, you get to see that it is offering you a good screen out there. LED screen could be seen. Everything overall is a good version out there. Now let us talk about the graphics also, because screen is good, resolution is good, everything is good. Not bad at all back then when it was released. So let us talk about the audio and video quality. Talking about the audio and video quality, we can say that it offers you graphics processor. Yes, graphics part is controlled by the Intel GMA 4500 graphics. Yes, it offers you graphics processor of Intel GMA 4500 processor out here. Overall, if you talk about this processing, it is very good. In association with this, you get to also have dynamic video memory technology 5. Yes, dynamic video memory technology 5 could be seen out in this variant, which is definitely a good version. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you stereotype speakers, microphones, because it has got an integrated webcam, so definitely capture resolution need to be good. When it offers you good capture resolutions and everything, so you get to have a good microphone, stereotype speakers, good sound quality. Apart from that, you get to have good connectivity with USB connectivity. You get to have a connectivity with audio input output connectivity. You get to have connectivity with power buttons out there, USB, SD card reading connectivity. Along with these kind of things, you get to have optical drive connectivity in this. Yes, this variant offers you optical drive connectivity with a fixed tray or the fixed part out there. This is what happens in this gadget specifically, but we know that every gadget out here offers you different functionalities, but every gadget's main functionality is to have a good work timing. So that is determined by the battery. Talking about the battery, let us talk about the battery, what kind of battery cells it uses. It uses lithium ion 6 cell battery with 56-volt capacity. So 6 cell lithium ion 56-volt capacity could be seen out in this variant. So overall, you get to see a good version gadget out here with good battery life, good functionality specifications. Now, what happens to a gadget is that sometimes it does not justify the pricing. So let us talk about the site which offers you a justified or a very good pricing. We are at just at click.com. Yes, just at click.com offers you amazing pricings because this site offers you best price in the market. They offer you pocketable deals, they offer you great gadgets, they offer you savings, they offer you best deals out or in the market out there. Apart from these things, this site that is just at click.com offers you customizability option. Yes, you can customize your gadgets accordingly. So you get to have a customization option also, that you can customize the gadget which you want if company has allotted the customization option for that particular gadget. Yes, if the customization is there, then you can customize it. Now let us search this gadget in this search icon, because this helps us to locate our gadget in a very specified way. So this is the result out here. A small description is given at the bottom and the top. Here is a condition that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished or certified refurbished products and brand new products, then there is no major difference out here. Yes, you will not find major differences out here. Refurbished and certified refurbished word is actually the same thing. They both are the same products. But brand new and refurbished are actually slightly different out there. There is no difference in the designing, functionality, testing. There is no difference. Just a difference of pre-ownization and the use version out there. Brand new products are generally the products which are absolutely new, released from the company, whereas refurbished products are a pre-owned gadget or the once used brand new gadgets. Yes, you can say that a gadget which has been once used by a user, brand new gadget, that is going to be resold is a refurbished product. They have the same design, there is no change in the design. They have got the same functionality, there is no change in functionality or storage, working, there is no change. Even the tests which have been included in the refurbished products or in the brand new, they are also the same. So you get to have the similarities, everything same. But what differs out there? There is a difference in the pre-ownization, and so let us look how this pre-ownization works. Usually a pathway is followed out, which is a base, mediator, and a consumer. This is the pathway followed out. Talking about the first category, that is the brand new category out here. You get to see that the brand new category out here offers you absolutely a entirely new process. Yes. Brand new gadgets are usually released or are always released out the company itself. Yes. The company for the very first time releases out their gadget into the marketplace for the users to buy them. So once the user buys this gadget, this brand new gadget is pre-owned by that user. So this ends the cycle of that particular gadget's brand new cycle. Yeah, like that particular gadget is terminated in the brand new cycle when the user buys that gadget. Now, after some time, what happens? The user gets bored of it or wants to resell that gadget. Then it is resold to a marketplace so that another user can buy it. So this is categorized as refurbished. Now, what is this refurbished? Once a gadget is pre-owned, now the user wants to resell that gadget and it is being resold. It is termed as refurbished or certified refurbished, but cannot be categorized as brand new because it has been once used by the user. It has been pre-owned out there. So you get to have a brand refurbished category. Now we can say that refurbished is actually the extension of brand new. Yes, if we talk about the pathway or anything, like refurbished is the extension of brand new. It will also be not wrong to say that every refurbished product is once a brand new product, but it's not mandatory that every brand new gadget is always a refurbished. It is not mandatory out at all, but every refurbished product was once a brand new gadget. Now, when we say that they are absolutely same, what is the difference then? Why we talked about two different categories? The major difference lies out in the testing sites. A company, before releasing it into the marketplace, it has to be tested and verified on various sites. Yes, it has to be tested and verified on various sites. Whereas the refurbished products are tested, verified, and approved on the same site before releasing it on their website or before selling it to another user. Now, talking about the parameters, what are the testing parameters included? There are majorly two different parameters, external parameter and the internal parameters. The external parameters usually involves that is a quick process directly through the eyes. Software is not required, tools are not required. These kind of things are not done out there because you directly see them, like the size of that gadget, weight of that gadget, camera, scratches, buttons, intactness, working of the buttons out there, placement of buttons, connectors out there, on off button out there, battery, working of battery, life of that gadget, as well as the touchpad out there, glass used out, any uh, breaking or scratch. Apart from these things, like these all things, these kind of parameters which you can directly see through your eyes, which does not require any software, which does not require any tool, these can be seen directly through eyes. That is done out there. Now, talking about this variant, then we can say that the variant out here offers you internal parameters. Yes, there is a internal category out there. There is another factor, that is the internal category. Now, they are actually very minute elements out there, very internal components included, like the chip system, processor out there, graphics used out, display resolution used out, capture resolution used out, internally connecting platforms, the wires out there, the internal audits out there. So every part which is there, which has to be checked out through any software, or which we cannot directly just see through our eyes. It needs some tools and equipment. So they are done out in this internal category. Once every parameter is crossed, checked, verified, then the gadget is named as refurbished or certified refurbished, depending whatever they want to write. They absolutely the same thing. They both are synonyms to each other. Now, when we talk about this, then we can say that if any gadget fails out, or if any part is not working, what happens to that gadget? If it cannot be replaced, it cannot be renewed, then it is discarded there itself. Yes, it is discarded. Apart from that, if it can be replaced, renewed out there, then it has to be done with the original part provided by the company itself. Yes, the part which company provides for the replacement, renewing of that part is to be done. No fake or unknown part has to be used. So this is the reason why refurbished products are actually worth investing out there and absolutely newly liked. So they are absolutely newly liked gadgets. So there must be some benefits associated with them, and the benefits which are associated with them, number one is the rating. We know that brand new products are actually expensive when they are released out in the market. But the same product under the condition of refurbished is in pocket friendly rates. Yes. When a gadget is released for the first time, it is expensive. But once it is in the refurbished condition, you get to have pocket friendly rates out there. So now there's a difference in the pricing. You get to see a small difference out there. So does it help you save? Yes, it helps you have a huge saving. You can have a huge saving out there because this offers you a great savings. Because brand new are expensive, whereas refurbished are quite pocketable out there. We know that brand new gadgets often gives us the warranty period of 1 year. Yes, 1 year warranty with exchange policy. But if you buy any refurbished product from any direct source out there without any condition out there, so it does not offer you any warranty period. But if you have a refurbished product, if you have a product condition named as refurbished from any site out there, then you get to have that gadget with 6 months warranty period. Along with that, you get to have 7 exchange policy. So you get to have really good functionality that 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy could be seen out in this version. So definitely you can try out this variant because offering you pocketable rates, savings, warranty, exchange policy, these kind of things are again being offered out to you for the same gadget which is under the brand new condition and the refurbished condition. So now let us go back to this site and let us see what kind of things they are offering. So we are at justatclick.com. Yes, we were talking at justatclick.com. The name itself suggests just at a click. You are just a click away from your favorite gadgets. On this site, you get to have great deals, huge savings, 6 months warranty, exchange policy, free shipping, COD availability, as well as you get to have customization option. So you can customize your gadgets. You can customize all the gadgets out here which are possible from the company itself. So that is really a good thing to see that customization is available out here. You get to have really amazing functionalities out there. Apart from that, 6 months warranty is given, COD is there, free shipping. Along with that, you can have a online support system which is available 24/7, online website, so no hassle, no worries out there. So everything could be done. And the best part is that you get to have great deals in pocket friendly ratings. So you can check out the website which is at justatclick.com, or check out the description for the link and the number out there. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.